Your AirPods Pro 3 are worth more than some mid-range smartphones, yet most of us treat them like cheap accessories. Today, I'm testing two ESR-made cases that might just save you a lot of frustration and money. So let's inspect. Let's be honest here, Apple didn't design the AirPods Pro case for survival. It scratches fast, it's slippery, and the lid, it opens way too easily when dropped. And if that happens, especially outdoors, your earbuds can disappear into the grass, into the gravel, some potholes, or under a car. So protection isn't optional anymore. It's sort of mandatory. This case uses a combination of internal latch and a reliable magnetic locking lid to make sure that your AirPods stay inside the case even when dropped. And yes, it works. Here's the key. The lid is locked. It cannot accidentally open. So your AirPods don't budge. And even with the rigid design, it's still easy to open with just one hand. That matters when you're multitasking, at the gym, or cycling, or running between meetings. You also get a secure metal carabiner. Thank you, Google Translate. Sorry about it, I'm not native. So this is perfect for bags, backpacks, outdoor setups. ESR actually recommends this case called the FlickLock for cycling, for skateboarding, camping, basically anything where drops are more likely to happen. And yes, a big one, MagSafe charging is effortless. You can use MagSafe stands or Apple Watch charger or most MagSafe battery banks and wireless docks, all working exactly like with your iPhone. If you want something more fun, more colorful, I would say more customizable, this buddy here has 7 different color options. So you can keep the stealth black or you can go wild with colors. And if you feel that you're a bit rough with your gear, yeah, this ultimately is the tank when it comes to good protection. Now let's look at something a bit more stylish, still tough, called the Orbit Hybrid Magnetic Case. Yeah, it still uses magnets and installation is so easy. You pay attention to this pinhole, which should be aligned to the LED of your AirPods. Snap. You need to snap the top side and we're done. All set. One thing I personally love, it's super easy to carry. You can wear it on your wrist, hook it directly on your bag, or keep it in hand like a keychain. This one uses 1,100 grams of magnetic force to lock the lid firmly in place, and the magnets are situated here to the sides, and that's even stronger than the FlickLock. On the inside there is extra hard shell combined with shock-absorbing core, so you still do get the extra protection without the rugged feeling and design. MagSafe charging works here too, fast and strong thanks to the 260-gram magnetic ring. Works with iPhone chargers, Apple Watch chargers, basically everything we mentioned about FlickLock as well. And if you love colors, ESR offers up to 10 different for this particular one. Clearly aimed at people who care about both style and practicality. And of course, you still get to see the LED status updates on the front. I think this one is ideal for everyday city use, for office setups, and anyone who wants strong protection without adding bulk. In the end, both support full MagSafe, both protect from drops, and both solve the #1 AirPods problem, the lid popping open when dropped. In the end, it's all about protecting something beautiful and functional and expensive that you already own. My #1 rule with smartphones, always use a protective case. Certainly for a close to $250 set of earbuds. Makes a lot of sense too. And I'm going to be giving away 2 of these to 2 of you. I'm going to be personally taking care of the shipping, so you just have to let me know in the comments which you would prefer, and if there are any questions or whether you want me to perform any other tests, or just ask me anything. This giveaway It's not affiliated with YouTube, and you can see all the terms posted in the video description area, where I'm also going to link these two models together with sweet discounts. Thank you very much for watching, take good care of yourself, keep your items safe and well protected, and I'll see you soon. Bye!